In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete section in GoDaddy. If you're using GoDaddy's website builder and want to remove a block of content, like a gallery, a contact block, or a featured section, this guide will walk you through it clearly and safely. You'll just need your GoDaddy login details and access to the website you want to edit. Start by opening your browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type GoDaddy, then open the official GoDaddy website from the results. On the GoDaddy homepage, sign into your account. Make sure you use the account that owns the website you want to edit. Once you're signed in, look to the top right of the page and click your profile icon. In the menu that appears, select My Products. This takes you to a list of the products and websites connected to your account. Find the website you want to work on and open it to launch the website builder editor. Inside the editor, navigate to the page and scroll until you see the exact section you want to delete. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct one. Check the content inside the section, headings, images, or buttons, so you're absolutely sure you're removing the right block. If you're editing a live site, it's a good idea to double-check because this action removes that section from the page layout. Hover your mouse over the section. You'll see editing controls appear, including a 3 dots menu, sometimes called the More or Overflow menu. Click those 3 dots to open additional options for that section. From the menu, choose Delete Section. GoDaddy will show a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to remove it. Review the message, then click Delete to confirm. The section will disappear from the page in the editor. If you change your mind right away, you can typically use the Undo option in the editor to bring it back. Also, if you're collaborating with others, let them know about the change so no one is surprised when reviewing the page layout. Remember that removing a section won't affect other parts of the page, but it may shift content up or down. So give the page a quick scroll to ensure everything still looks balanced. That's all it takes to delete a section in GoDaddy. Access your account, open your website in the editor, locate the section, use the 3 dots menu, and confirm the deletion. Thanks for watching, and take your time reviewing changes so your site stays clean, consistent, and easy to navigate.